What's up guys, I'm back with another video. So right now I'm doing a makeup tutorial, very simple little look. Right now I'm doing kind of a little colorful little thing I was working on. So right now I'm just basically putting on my concealer on my whole eyelid to kind of make the bright colors pop. So now I'm going to start going in with my black opal eyeshadow duo. This is a little burgundy color that was in my duo, and then I'm gonna go in with my blue color that was in the same duo. I'm gonna get the information for you on this description in the video. So now I'm just gonna be blending that out. So I'm gonna be using my same LA Girl Pro concealer, and I'm gonna be starting just to blend that out so I can offset the color I'm gonna be using, which is a light kind of light royal blue glittery eyeshadow. Really pretty. So then I'm gonna be putting my eyeliner on, making sure that each eye is symmetrical to each other, and then yeah. So I'm gonna come back and then I'm gonna be doing my foundation. Alright guys, so I am back with my foundation, my Maybelline Fit Me, and then the color 360 Mocha, and I just go ahead and distribute that around my whole face with my NYX Total Face Brush, and I go ahead and blend that all throughout my neck, my forehead, going into my hairline, everything guys. I just go ahead and make sure that's blended and really just around everything. And I know I can't be the only one to put foundation on my hand, guys. And everything, concealer, foundation, everything. So I'm going to go ahead and come back whenever I am about to do my concealer. And yeah, guys. Alright, so I am back with my concealer. So I go ahead and basically start doing it on my under eye, my chin, my nose, and my forehead. And that is how I usually distribute my whole concealer. I make sure everything's kind of basically neat before I start blending it. So this is how I usually do my concealer. I'm going to come back when everything is blended and everything is about to be finished. What is up guys? So I'm coming back with my finishing powder. Gonna go ahead and bake my face real quick. I basically do the same places I did my concealer, and I basically leave it on while I'm contouring. The palette I will be contouring with today is going to be my Pro Fusion contour palette. This palette was only $5 and it has, as you can tell, got me through a lot. I found this at my local Five Below store. Literally is worth it. Next I'm going to take my e.l.f. sculpting brush, and I'm doing the same thing with the same powder just on my nose. Guys, y'all need to invest into a e.l.f. sculpting brush because it's amazing, guys. It's only $3, but it's amazing. Like, it literally gets you that chiseled look. So then I'm taking my Real Techniques buffing brush. Again, a real staple for me. It was, I think, around $5, $6 within this kit. And I basically just buff it out. I have no product on this brush whatsoever. And I just buff it out, and it just gives me a nice, I guess, flawless finish for me. I'm going to come back whenever I am done blending, touching up some little areas, and then I'm going to go ahead and spray my face with my finishing spray. Alright, so I am back to spray my face with the finishing spray by Elf. I like the Elf one a lot. So then after I do that, I, fan it a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and put my highlighter in. I like to use highlighter from eyeshadow palettes. This is the, Primavera color from the Modern Renaissance palette. I love that one. And then after I do my highlighter, I usually go in with my lips. This is the LA Colors lip liner. It's in chocolate. Love my brown lip liner. And then I go in with my Teddy Bear from Milani lipstick. I like that one a lot. That's one of my staples. Plus a little lip gloss. I don't remember where I got the lip gloss. I think I got it from a little Ulta brand. But I think that's all I use on my lips in this video. Then I take my lashes from my lash line and I basically put on my lashes. I'm not really comfortable with putting on the lashes on camera yet, like actually fully detailing put them, but I'm definitely gonna make a video for y'all on that one. So yeah guys, that is it on this beautiful little cute look.